Hey tubers, hope you're doing good. You may can see it's very overcast, cloudy. It could just pour down rain at any minute. We just got back off of a camping trip. I took Ryder on her first camping trip, Christy and I did. This morning it poured down rain when it was time to load up and bust everything down and leave. So we put everything up in the rain. I got to the camping trip on Friday, got my camera out, had no SD card. Had batteries and no SD card. I did snap a few pictures on my phone. I've never had great success uploading these to YouTube, but I'm going to do it anyway, so you just see a few of our pictures. We took her to Jellystone Park because I don't know if you know anything about the Jellystone Parks, but they have activities galore for kids. And so we didn't want to take her like off the grid camping where there was nothing to do. We wanted to take her somewhere where there was plenty to do and she would not get bored. But anyway, so I'm home today. As you can see, I've opened the tent back up. I'm going to try to hose it off because everything there was just, we hadn't had any rain in over 30 days, no significant rain. It was just a dust bomb. And then it came a little shower, or it came a rain this morning. Everything's muddy, dirty. So I've got to clean this thing out. No, I'm sure the camera don't pick it up, but see that hump? Where this down here doesn't, it humps up. It's all the way at the ends. And it humps up real bad, like right here. Does anybody else's do that? Put these back down, and we had them up getting some air because it's still pretty warm. Pretty warm camping for October. Everything's still pretty tight on this tent because it's so new. The zippers are tight. I could see how you could do some cool weather camping in this thing because, man, it retains the heat in here. That's for sure. May not have any light in here now for you to see, but this tent is very cozy. I like it a whole lot. I think we got it sealed up enough we can kind of give it a light hosing off, get some of the dust and dirt off of it, clean it up, and then I'm going to pull it under my carport and let it air dry for a day or two. Okay guys, you can see I've got it under the carport here, and I've opened the window flies, and I even unzipped that where it can just kind of loosely be there, maybe get a little air inside. Did the same here, kind of unzipped it just to give it a little where it can get some air and then this water can get off of it. I opened the awning up. It's sitting there with a lot of tilt to it so the water can run off. Anyway, I just wanted to make you a quick video, just show you some snapshots of our camping trip and show you me cleaning it up, putting it up to let it air out. I'll leave it here for a couple of days, however long it takes for it to air out. So guys, I thank you for watching. Sorry I didn't have an SD card with me to show you Jellystone. Y'all have a blessed day.